Hello everyone, this is Queen Pedii from Queen Pedii Writes, and today we're going to do another Queen Pedii's Crafts where we are going to make dog tutus. So all you need is an 1 inch wide elastic band that can fit around your dog. Please measure your dog before you just cut the elastic. I had to learn that lesson myself. You cannot measure with your eyes, you guys. Next, you have the tulle fabric or tulle mesh, which will be our body of our tutu. And also some invisible thread and a sewing needle to sew up the ends of the elastic. Where is that sewing needle with the invisible thread here? I know you guys can't see it. That's okay. All right, cool things though. Let's get it started. The first step is to take the elastic band and match up the ends and sew them together. Make sure they match up perfectly, because if you don't, the elastic will be in a twisted bunch. When you're done with sewing your elastic band, make sure to put it in a knot so that it won't come apart. Next step, get something that can hold the elastic band in a circle shape. Next step, take the tool and cut it to the desired length. Take the tool and fold it over so that the top of it makes a loop and the ends are basically loose but in twos. Use the loop part of the tool to go up under the elastic and find the hole and put the two loose ends through the hole and pull it tightly so that it tightens around the elastic. I ended up running out of the Galaxy tool, so I had to go and get some other tool that I have. And once you finish putting all of the tulle around the elastic, your result will be an awesome dog tutu that kind of reminds me of the Galaxy, but also of a unicorn.